Hey everyone, glad to have you back to Millennials Matter for another insightful video. And if you're here for the first time, welcome, and we hope you stick around. Today we're talking about something super important, how to wisely upgrade your life once you start making more money. Because let's be honest, we all dream of that day, right? But it's not just about spending it all at once. It's about strategic upgrades that actually improve your life long term. So if you're ready to make your money work for you, not against you, then grab a pen and paper and watch until the very end, because we're diving into 5 key upgrades you should absolutely consider. Number 1, invest in your health. It's your real wealth. This is non-negotiable. You can't enjoy your newfound wealth if you're not healthy enough to do so. This isn't just about fancy gym memberships. It's about holistic well-being. It's about prioritizing your physical and mental health. Think preventative care. Regular checkups, dental visits, vision screenings, these can save you big bucks and pain down the road. Don't wait until you're sick to see a doctor. Proactive health management is key. Consider a health coach or nutritionist if you need help optimizing your diet. Maybe it's time for that ergonomic office chair to prevent back pain. Or perhaps it's finally addressing that lingering health issue you've been putting off. It's about investing in your future self. It's about having the energy and vitality to pursue your goals and enjoy your life. An example, instead of buying the latest gadget, maybe it's time for a high-quality mattress that improves your sleep. Sleep is crucial for both physical and mental health. Or perhaps it's investing in a good water filter to ensure you're drinking clean water. Small changes like these can have a huge impact. Maybe you've always wanted to try yoga or martial arts. Now's the time to invest in classes. Number 2, level up your living space, your sanctuary, not your stressor. Your home should be a place of peace and rejuvenation, not a source of stress. Upgrading your living space can significantly improve your quality of life. Think about how your environment affects your mood and productivity. This doesn't necessarily mean buying a mansion. It could be as simple as decluttering and organizing. A clean and organized space can have a huge impact on your mental clarity. Maybe it's finally fixing that leaky faucet or repainting a room. Small home improvements can make a big difference. Consider investing in good quality furniture that's both comfortable and functional. Think about creating a space that inspires you and makes you feel good. A well-designed space can boost your creativity and reduce stress. An example, instead of constantly eating out, maybe you could invest in some quality cookware and learn to cook healthy meals at home. This can save you money and improve your diet. Or perhaps you finally create a dedicated workspace so you can be more productive. A comfortable and functional home office can make a huge difference in your work life. Maybe you invest in some plants to bring nature into your home. Or you finally get around to framing those photos you've been meaning to hang. Number 3, invest in experiences, memories over things. Experiences enrich our lives in ways that material possessions simply cannot. They create lasting memories and broaden our horizons. They shape who we are and give us stories to tell. This could be anything from traveling to taking a cooking class to attending a concert. It's about stepping outside your comfort zone and trying new things. These experiences can help you grow as a person and create connections with others. They can also provide valuable perspective and help you appreciate the world around you. An example, instead of buying another piece of clothing you don't really need, maybe you book a weekend getaway with your partner. Or perhaps you invest in a course to learn a new skill, like photography or coding. These experiences can be more valuable than any material possession. Maybe you've always wanted to learn to surf or go scuba diving. Now's the time to invest in lessons. Number 4, outsource tasks you hate. Reclaim your time. Time is your most valuable asset. Once you have more money, you can start outsourcing tasks that you dread or that take up too much of your time. This frees you up to focus on what truly matters. This could be anything from hiring a cleaning service to getting help with your taxes. It's about freeing up your time so you can focus on things that are more important to you, like your work, your family, or your hobbies. It's about maximizing your productivity and minimizing stress. It's about working smarter, not harder. An example, instead of spending hours each week cleaning or your house, maybe you hire a cleaning service. Or perhaps you invest in a virtual assistant to help you manage your emails and schedule. This allows you to focus on more productive and enjoyable activities. Maybe you hire a landscaper to take care of your yard, or you invest in a meal delivery service to save time on grocery shopping and cooking. Number 5, invest in your financial education. Knowledge is power. This is crucial. Just because you're making more money doesn't mean you automatically know how to manage it. Investing in your financial education is essential for long-term wealth building. It's about becoming financially literate and making informed decisions. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, or even hire a financial advisor. Learn about budgeting, investing, debt management, and other important financial topics. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Don't rely on others to manage your money. Take control of your financial future. An example, instead of relying on others to manage your investments, maybe you take a course to learn about investing yourself. Or perhaps you invest in a financial planning session to create a personalized financial roadmap. This empowers you to take control of your financial future. Maybe you subscribe to financial newsletters or follow personal finance experts online. So there you have it, 5 smart upgrades to make once you get money. It's not about instant gratification. It's about investing in your future self. It's about creating a life that's both comfortable and fulfilling. What are your go-to upgrades once you have more money? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building a better life.